This is the suction side of lubrication system, and this is the bypass valve. So here we have an arrow here, indication for where the lubrication oil comes from. We open this bypass valve during winter because we do not need to cool the lubrication oil during winter season. This side is the intake of lubrication oil to the main engine. And next is the cooling system. Here we use a pump to deliver it to the piston pump. This is the piston pump. This goes up and down. Suction side to the left and delivery side to the right. And it goes to shell and tube type heat exchanger, where the lubrication oil is cooled by the seawater. And this side will go to the engine jacket cooling. That is the suction, and the upper part will go to the discharge.